iOS 18 now lets us customize our control center like never before. And in this quick and simple tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can customize it in just a few easy steps. This will work on any iPhone, as long as you're running the latest software update, which is iOS 18 at the time of recording this video. Let's swipe from the top right corner of our screen in order to open our control center. And now we have to go into the edit mode. We can do that by tapping on this little plus icon at the top left corner of your screen. And you're going to see that we have a little minus icon next to every toggle. And that means that we're in the editing mode. You can now remove any toggle that you don't need by simply clicking on the little minus icon right here. And that toggle will be deleted from the control center. If you want to move a specific control to another part of the control center, maybe from the bottom to the top or left to right, all you want to do is to long press on that toggle and just drag it to any circle you want. But if you need to add a new toggle to your control center, then just tap on this Add a Control option at the bottom, and you'll be presented with a bunch of options and controls which you can add to your control center in order to customize it to your liking. We also have the ability to add pages to our control center, and I will leave a couple of iOS 18 control center tutorial videos in the comments down below, so go check them out in order to learn all the different things which you can do. Also, check out the iOS 18 playlist from the description of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.